When we talk prints for spring, we talk three main categories: stripes, florals, and animal prints. So today we're going to bring you stripes. Mainly stripes is our focus. Tonight we've got a little striped pack that we have available. We're going to show you a fun little video on stripe and stripe choices. Now this is curves, but still considered stripes because you can see them going this way. And even though they're curved going this way, it's still considered a striped fabric. So I love this. This is 100% viscose. You'll see what I did with it tonight, but this is a navy and white. Now it's a dark navy. It's not a black, it's actually a navy, and it's pretty. It's like a iCot. It's 100% viscose. It's very, very nice. It's a woven, no stretch, and just really pretty. Very pretty. Easy to sew with because I sewed with it. All right, then we've got a Pontoroma. This is 100% cotton, and it's a navy, and it's beautiful. Stretch in both directions. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. Just rare to find cotton like that in a Pontoroma, but very, very nice. I love this because, you know, one thing I'll say tonight is when I look for a stripe pattern, when I look for a pattern to do a stripe in, I like to have it all, lots of pieces, so I can turn the stripes different directions, but this has done it all for you. I just love this. I just love how you could take something now, a very simple pattern, and just get a great look of these stripes going all these different directions. Very fun. This is 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. Really pretty piece of fabric. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch going in both directions. I love this stripe. This is our red, white, and blue. And again, stretch in both directions, and it's a cotton poly. Now this is the weight. This is more of a weight of a Pontoroma. It's a little more weighty. You could do anything with it, but it's got a little more weight to it. This is 100% viscose. This is a border print. So each yard has one panel to it. And this is a combination of animal prints together. Love the abstract colors, the really contemporary versions of all of this. But you can see like a snake version versus a leopard version. The leopard is different colors, and then every 1 yard you'll have the panel. It's a panel is basically what it is, but you'll have this vertical. So this is a two-way stretch. It's 100% viscose, so you can go any direction with that border print. Really fun. I can only imagine the beautiful outfits that you can create with that. And this is also a little stripe. It's got butterflies on top of it. This is 100% viscose. It's a woven, and it's kind of a red-orange stripe on a white background with different color florals all through it. Very popular, great shirt. I think this would be really pretty for a really nice shirt or shirt dress. All right, and that is our beautiful prints for today, prints and solids. And the goal is, you know it, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.